Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. If you're thinking about switching to a stylish, compact, and modern folding device, this video's for you. Today, we're taking a look at the top 5 best smart flip phones, carefully selected for their performance, display quality, camera features, durability, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, all the product links are in the description below. All right, let's jump right in. Number 1. Unifone S22 Flip Phone. If you're searching for a device that gives you classic flip phone vibes but also packs in modern smart features, the Unifone S22 Flip Phone is a great place to start. With its dust-proof and drop-proof design, this model is built to handle tough environments, making it perfect for people whose daily lives expose their phone to more than just office environments. Whether you're heading out for a hike, camping, or you just need a super reliable backup device, you'll appreciate the S22's sturdy construction. Under the hood, it sports a Qualcomm QM215 Snapdragon 215 processor paired with 2 GB of RAM, running Android 11 Go Edition. This lightweight operating system provides efficient performance. You won't get the lag of older basic phones, but you won't be bogged down by the heavy features of major flagships either. It supports both 3G and 4G LTE networks, making it versatile for most T-Mobile users and their virtual operators. However, do note that the S22 won't work for AT&T or Verizon customers, so double-check your network before purchasing. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip Phone. Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip Phone takes the concept of the flip phone to new heights by merging classic folding form with cutting-edge smartphone tech. Packed with a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X primary display, the Z Flip delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and bright whites. Watching movies, gaming, or browsing the web feels immersive thanks to a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ support. The phone also features a cover display for notifications, so you can quickly glance at messages or reminders without opening your device. Inside, the Snapdragon 888 5G processor ensures fast performance, supported by 8 GB of RAM for seamless multitasking and 128 GB storage, so you never run short on space for apps, photos, and files. For photography fans, the Z Flip includes a dual 12-megapixel rear camera setup, one wide and one ultra-wide, plus a 10-megapixel front camera, delivering crisp pictures and videos no matter the lighting. Number 3. AT&T Cingular Flex Flip Phone. If simple is best for you, the AT&T Cingular Flex Flip Phone is a smart choice focused on essentials, not overload. The crisp display is bright and easy to navigate for calls, texts, and daily browsing. It provides 4 GB of internal storage, enough for your contacts, a few pictures, and basic apps. Its navy finish gives it a modern edge while staying lightweight and portable for pockets or purses. The built-in camera is suitable for capturing quick shots or family moments. Smooth app loading and multitasking come courtesy of a reliable processor, fast enough for basic needs. Cingular Flex flips open with that satisfying tactile feel. Style meets simplicity, making this an ideal pick for students, busy professionals, and anyone wanting an easy-to-use compact phone. It's reliable and clear without unnecessary extras, a straightforward way to stay connected whether it's your main device or a backup. Number 4. Schok 4G Flip Phone. The Schok 4G Flip Phone strikes a balance between ease of use, durability, and flexibility. It's unlocked and works on AT&T, T-Mobile, and many MVNO carriers, so staying connected is easy across top US networks. The 3.2-inch main screen and 2-inch sub-display show info at a glance, and large tactile buttons make dialing hassle-free, ideal for seniors, kids, or those who want simple accessibility. The removable 1650 mAh battery charges in 3 hours and offers extended use. Plus, you get 8 GB of storage and 1 GB RAM, upgradable via micro SD to 64 GB for music, contacts, or photos. Features like the T9 keyboard, loudspeaker, HAC, real-time text, and customizable shells cover practical usability and style. GPS shows your location in emergencies and for family peace of mind. Number 5. HMD Barbie Flip Phone. If you want fun, style, and a way to disconnect from constant notifications, the HMD Barbie Flip Phone brings playful character to everyday calling and texting. Designed for casual use, it works with major US carriers, AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon, Cricket, and Boost, using a nano SIM, not included. With a Barbie-inspired aesthetic, you can personalize the look with stickers, covers, or crystals. Great for kids and teens, or adults who want a simple, cheerful secondary device. Its compact size makes it easy to slip in a pocket, and the design is all about fun, not stress. The Barbie Flip isn't a smartphone. It's focused on straightforward communication. This makes it perfect for parents who want a first phone for their kids or grown-ups who want a phone for travel and downtime. It's simple, light, reliable, and always ready. A unique blend of practical function with a pop of personality. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best smart flip phones. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Tech Talk Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.